Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Marvel Mystic Mayhem on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Marvel Mystic Mayhem is a role-playing game that's been developed by Exceptional Global. Although this is available on Android, it's still absolutely possible to play on PC or even a Mac by using something called BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator. It's an app that allows you to play Android games on your PC. To get started, simply search Marvel Mystic Mayhem PC. You will see link with BlueStacks. Simply click on that, which going to take you to the official website, which going to look like this. On this website, you're going to see a button which says Play Marvel Mystic Mayhem on PC. So just go ahead and give that a click. And what that's going to do is download the BlueStacks installer onto your PC. Once the installer is downloaded, just give it a click to open it up and run through the steps to install BlueStacks onto your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished installing, you're going to get a window like this. At this point, just go ahead and click the blue Update and Agree button if you already have BlueStacks. Otherwise, you will see Launch button. And what that's going to do is launch BlueStacks on your PC. Now, at this point, you're going to see an Install from Google Play button. Give that a click. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, on here, what you want to do is click the blue Install button. It might also ask you to log in with your Google account, which is brilliant because if you log in with your account, then of course you can sync this across your devices. As you can see, Marvel Mystic Mayhem has now finished downloading and installing. So at this point, all you want to do is click the blue Play button, and it's going to launch this on BlueStacks. So, when you first launch your game, there's just going to be a few resources and things like that to download. So, here we are in the menu. What I'm going to do is log in. As you can see, you got the choice to log in with a Google, Facebook, or guest account. And then we're going to jump into the game. And here we are, as you can see in game. So, as you can see again, the actual gameplay is really smooth. As mentioned, there's no lag or anything. And as you can see, I'm controlling this with my mouse. And that's it. So that is how you can play Marvel Mystic Mayhem on PC. So that's all for this video. Thanks.